Have you ever taken a sip of your smoothie and hit a chunk of fruit? Or worse, gritty chia seeds that didn't fully blend? I'm putting two blenders head to head to see which one makes the smoothest, perfectly blended smoothie. And trust me, the results might surprise you. Today we're testing the Ninja Fit Personal Blender versus the Topzee Blender for smoothies. The Topzee is a bigger blender holding up to 24 ounces, while the Ninja Fit holds only 16 ounces. But aside from that, they're fairly comparable with sturdy bases and four-pronged blades. I'm making the exact same fruit smoothie in both, so we can see which one blends faster, smoother, and more evenly. I fill both blenders with the same ingredients: frozen mango, strawberries, milk, guava nectar, and chia seeds. All right, first up, speed. The Ninja Fit goes strong. You can see it slicing through fruit right away. The Topzee's working too, but it's taking a little longer to really get moving, and I even have to pull it off and shake things around a bit. So, the Ninja Fit wins on speed. It powered through all the frozen fruit in about 30 seconds, while the Topzee is still going. But here's the thing, speed isn't everything. I can already tell the Topzee has done a better job grinding chia seeds, so I let the Ninja go a little longer to see if it can catch up. Now let's pour these out and check how smooth they really are. This looks pretty good, but I can still see some of the chia seeds floating around. And now for the Topzee. This one took a little longer, but it may have been worth it. Whoa, the difference is actually noticeable. The Topzee completely eviscerated the chia seeds. This is a true silky smoothie. So here's my final take. If you want speed, the Ninja Fit is your blender. It crushes frozen fruit fast and does an incredible job on anything bigger than a pea. But if you want the smoothest smoothie, no seeds, no chunks, this Topzee blender takes the win for me. It blends everything, even the tiniest bits, into a flawless texture. Plus, it's bigger, so if you're a serious smoothie drinker or want enough to share, it can handle it. Which one would you pick? Check the links in the description if you want to try either of these. And if you love product comparisons like this, make sure to like and subscribe.